Welcome back to my channel. Today we want to look at how to make money online. How to make money online to beat the biting economy that the world is facing. There is no country that is not facing economic situation, because cost of living is on the rise everywhere. It's just that some parts of the world is more severe than others. Else, cost of living is on the rise. It's on steady rise. So, one of the way to really survive it is for you to have multiple streams of income. You might have a business or a job, but at your spare time, there are many type of things you can do online to make money. It is even very important that you make money in hard currency. Now, hard currency we usually call dollars, pounds, and euros and others. We call them hard currency because right now they are higher than most currencies in the world. So it's very advisable to earn in hard currency. So now I want to look at 6 ways now for you to make money online. Very, very important. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, okay? Because we'll have more videos. Now, the first one is to self-publish books. Write books, publish them for sale online. You can write books. You can write storybooks, children books, um, educational books, or other books. Just write. If it's a novella, if it's just short stories, design them very well and publish, self-publish online. Okay, and you'll be making money from there. Now, I have lots of books on KDP, Amazon KDP, Kindle. Okay, I have a lot of books there, and I make money every month. I make money every month on Amazon. People buy my books, and currently I'm earning in pounds. And you know what that means when I convert it uh to my own currency, which is naira. Okay, so that's one of the way, because presently I have books, and every month is either people are buying my books or they are reading it. And each time people read my books, I'm making money from there. Okay, by the time you convert that money into your currency, you know that you are really making money from publishing books. Okay, so that's number one way. Then the second one, respond to surveys. There are many people um giving out surveys to people, and if you respond to their surveys, they pay you. I Last year I did a survey for Line. Line is they are responsible for research to see how they can improve universities in UK. I was privileged to do a survey for them, and I was paid £50 for that survey. Okay, I was paid £50. Now there are many other surveys online. There are so many. You just run surveys, you respond to them, and they pay you. They give you tips from it. By the time you gather all that money to do what you're doing, you realize that you've really gotten uh, an additional source of income. Okay, and now for like this altar line I'm using now as an example, that £50, if I should convert it into naira, as I converted it into naira, it was a big money for me. Okay, it was a big money. That's almost, it's a big money. Okay, so the third one now to make money online is to create content like I'm doing now. Create content, those things you know, the knowledge, share it with people and earn from it. Do not keep it only to yourself like I'm currently doing. The knowledge you have, share it with people. Create content. If it's to dance, is to sing, whatever skill you have or any knowledge you have, create content online on YouTube or other channels. Okay, create content online. The more people see your videos, the more they become interested. Eventually you start earning from it. Okay, so that's another third way to make money online. Then the fourth one is online jobs. Online jobs, there are categories of websites, apps that like we if we are even talking about the educational sector, you can teach maths, you can teach English, you can register. So different website there. Yeah, and then you start teaching. You can even organize it on your own. Yes, you can actually organize it on your own using Teams, use Zoom, even on WhatsApp. Yeah, you can just teach people how to solve mathematics or whatever skill, even if it's sewing or any other skill. If you want to teach, you just teach people online. They will pay you, and you do run an online class. They join, and then you teach them. You make videos, you create videos, you use pictures, you use audio, you teach them, and you are getting your money. Okay, this is also very effective. I've run some classes online myself, and I realized good sum of money, and I will still continue. Okay, so there was even one too I did on this number one, this Amazon. I taught people how to start publishing books on Amazon. I taught people from scratch, okay, to the end, and I guided them and I ensured that they started. So there are many other things you can teach online. So teaching online, you can actually make very good money from it. Okay, just know your skill, that thing you want to teach, know it very well. Okay, and then you advertise yourself. You start, use any of the platform. You can use WhatsApp, you can use Telegram, then Zoom, or uh, Meet. How do they call it? And the other one, I've forgotten the name. But you can actually use any of these channels to make money. Just teach skills and people pay you. And that's it. You just be making your side income. All this will help you to beat the biting economy. Then we have the fifth one. There are many people who like people to come and write for them. They want people to write for them. And you know that this is your skill. You love writing. How about freelancing? You just like to write. You just can get jobs from them, and they'll pay you online. Okay, I don't want to mention names. There are many websites as well you can register for, and then people will meet you. If you even know how to design, you are very perfect in designing books and all, like creative arts and all. You can also use those skills to earn money online. Okay, you can register for some of those websites. You can also do it on your own as well. You advertise yourself on your social media page. You show them the kind of work you've done, and if it's attractive, before you know, people will start coming to you. So that's the fifth way to make money online. Then we'll talk about digital marketing. Hmm, the world now is really digital. You notice that even um people use robots to even do adverts today. So if you learn all these skills, how to use all these animation videos to advertise stuff for people, and digital marketing generally, people pay you to advertise their stuff. People pay you to market their products, or one thing or the other. So you just learn that skill, and then you start doing it. People will pay you online. Okay, so these are 6 ways you can actually make money online. You can even do all of them, because by the time you get money from each of them like this and you gather the money together, it can even be a very big money for you. Even if you don't have a job or you don't have a business, you have nothing doing and you are still searching for a job, you can start with this. Okay, and you actually be making money from each of them, no matter how little they are. If you do one or two or even all of them, you notice that at the end of the month, by the time you gather all that money together, it is something, it's big. Like in my country now, if I should as I get money from each of these things and I convert it into naira, it's usually a big money for me. So these are ways you can make money online. Okay, so get creative. Don't sit down and say let me and you'll be moving from one place to another to look for a job. While you are looking for a job, it's fine to look for a job, but while you are doing that, you can also be doing these things. Make money online. Okay, because the economy is actually harsh. It is really a biting economy. Things are getting higher. Cost of living is increasing every day. It's on steady rise. Okay. So I wish you all the best in your endeavor. Okay. Always make the right best choices when the time is right there. Okay. So don't hold back. Just continue, because as you continue, you definitely get money to care for your stuff. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.